Hello class, welcome to week 6. I want to point out that what we'll be covering this week are going to be measuring things. And the most important thing you need to know, aside from knowing the formulas for basic perimeter, area, volume, and surface area, is to know which unit of measure to use. So please pay attention because we're going to be using regular straight distance measurements for perimeter, but for area we're going to be using square units, and for volume we're going to be using cubic units. Surface area is another type of area, so it will also be using square units. So pay attention to that and make sure you always include the unit of measure when you are answering a question. Let's go over to the discussions because I want to talk about that again. Since we are now in week 6, we are talking about chapter 9. So I don't have that many problems, but I want to make sure we're getting through all of them because getting through all of them is going to make a huge difference when it comes to getting ready for the next test. So please make sure that you are going through and practicing all these problems and then posting them in order, making sure that you are keeping track of what your classmates are doing. And remember, when you are responding to a classmate, make sure that you are checking their answers, not just saying, oh, I got the same thing. So make sure you're checking that. And if you have questions, go back to this general discussion area. You can address questions to me, and if a classmate sees a question there, they can answer and reply to that as well. And I would really like to see some study groups going on. No one's made any study tips here, and I'd love to see some suggestions there too. And again, remember, if you have any questions about any of the material, please contact me. Use your envelope there, which takes you to the email portion of D2L, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So good luck. Make sure you're going into the content area, and you know that we are now in week 6, so make sure you are looking through all the requirements for this week, which is perimeter, area, volume, surface area, linear measurement, the homework and the quiz, as well as participation in the discussion. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a good week.